Hi. Welcome to Tuk Tuk Tech. Like our page today to get exclusive videos on stock market. Today, we will cover the topic: top 3 reasons to invest your money. Number 1. Fight inflation. Inflation is the decrease in the purchasing power of a currency. Inflation leads to higher prices and lower purchasing power. By investing, one can deal better with the growing cost of living, generally referred to as inflation. Number 2. Create wealth. By investing, you can aim to have a better corpus by the end of the defined time period. It can be for anything: children's education, marriage, house purchase, retirement holidays, etc. Number 3. Financial freedom. Financial freedom is having enough income to cover your living expenses. Where to invest? There are 4 types of asset classes in which you can invest. They are: 1. Fixed income instruments, 2. Equity, 3. Real estate, 4. Commodities or precious metals. What's next? In the next video, we will explain in detail about the 4 types of asset classes where you can invest. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to follow our Facebook page.